Hey there, everybody. This is Wayne. Wayne's helping us and one of our friends, the folks over at Tree Star Farms up in Limerick, Maine, move these bags of soil here. And Wayne here wanting to be nice and help out two small starting nurseries and farms, and so he squeezed us into a break in his schedule for the day, moving as a short hauler, and is bringing these 100 and 150 gallon bags of soil that another friend of our friend is looking to get rid of because of an upcoming multi-state move. And so the important takeaway today is practice the social kindness aspects of permaculture in your neighborhood and in your greater community. You'll never know who is going to want to do a solid favor for you, because really we're all just monkeys doing nice things for other monkeys who do nice things for us. So we're gonna have many yards of a mixed growing medium over at the farm, and we'll be inviting our neighbors to come help us process through and take what they would like for their gardens out of this so that they can share in the yields of kindness. Hope you're all well. I'm going to get back to watching Wayne's machine work extra hard. Until next time, happy planting. Thanks for watching.